To pay using PayPal on eBay. Start by finding the item you want to purchase and clicking the Buy It Now button or placing a bid on an auction. Once you have committed to buying the item, proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, select PayPal as your payment method. You will be redirected to the PayPal login page where you will enter your email address and password to log in to your PayPal account. If you do not have a PayPal account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the registration process. After logging in to your PayPal account, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct, including the item price, shipping cost, and your shipping address. You can also add a note to the seller if needed. PayPal will then ask you to confirm the payment. Click the Confirm button to complete the payment process. You will receive a confirmation email from both PayPal and eBay once the payment has been successfully completed. It is essential to ensure that your PayPal account is funded or linked to a credit or debit card to avoid any payment issues. To avoid any delays, make sure your PayPal account is verified and in good standing. Additionally, always review the seller's feedback and ratings before making a purchase to ensure you are buying from a reputable seller. By following these steps, you can securely and easily pay for your eBay purchases using PayPal.